Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete watch history on YouTube. So first things first, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your YouTube application. Go to Google Play Store and then search for YouTube. Make sure that if you see the update button, you have to click the update button right here and wait as it is updating. Once done, launch your YouTube application and log into your account. Now here what you're going to do next is tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. And then next is you have to click on this gear icon at the top right corner. Or you can also scroll down and look for your data in YouTube. So you have to click this one right here and it will take you directly to your YouTube history. Specifically, you will see here your watch history. So what you're going to do is you have to scroll down here till you see YouTube watch history, and all you need to do is to click that one. Now here you will have your option. So if you want to click this one first, YouTube watch history, and here you can basically delete videos that is older than 36 months or more. So in order for you to do that, you have to click this and you need to scroll down here. Go to deleting activity older than 36 months. Tap this one right here. And then you will have your option again. So if you want other option, then you can tap this 36 months and you will see other option right here. You can also tap on don't auto delete activity. But once you have selected that specific months where you want to delete watch history on YouTube, you just have to tap on confirm. And that's how easy it is to delete watch history on YouTube. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.